Running out of space? Talk to the experts at Storage King. Whether you're moving house or the office, renovating, relocating the hubby's man cave, Storage King has the answer. With stores everywhere, there is a location near you. We also have a crack team of professionals who can take care of the packing, moving and storing for you, making Storage King the kings of storage, moving and more. How much we do is up to you. From packing to moving to, you guessed it, storage. Our expert team have years of experience working with thousands of happy customers. Choosing the right space can be difficult. Here are some handy ways we have made it easy. Our concierge team is ready to discuss how we can make it all happen for you. No time to get to us? We'll come to you at home or in the office, inside or outside of business hours. Show us what you need help with and we'll provide obligation-free advice and an on-the-spot appraisal. How easy! Whether you need temporary storage to deal with an unexpected change or a more permanent solution for a well-planned move, we're here to help with our easy-to-use online wizard. Get a price in just a few clicks. Or call, tell us your situation over the phone and we'll take care of the rest. Need to pack? Choose from a huge range of boxes and packing materials, including archive cartons, tape, bubble wrap, protective blankets, and more. Click and collect or get it delivered to your door. Need help with the moving parts? Our team of experts connect you with a trusted removalist or help you with a moving vehicle to do it yourself and even organise someone to do the packing for you. With a huge, ever-increasing network of stores and over 20 years of dealing with thousands of local customers, you're coming to the right place. Many of our locations have first-rate security features, including 24-hour digital CCTV, so you can be confident your stuff is secure. State-of-the-art lighting helps you find your way at night, and many stores offer individually alarmed storage units with extended hours access. So why wait? With no waiting periods, you can safely store your stuff starting today. And it's completely flexible, so you can upsize or downsize as you need. Once you have everything stored away, it is handy to know that during your stay with us, you are in control of your space and help is just a few clicks or call away. You can be confident you're getting a secure, hassle-free moving solution with exceptional service. Storage King, the kings of storage, moving and more.